Hi everyone, welcome to Handmade, an online shop for curated crafts and gifts. Now, as the owner of Handmade, I am constantly inspired by the creativity and skills of the artisans who create our products. One day, I received a call from a friend who was in a panic because she had forgotten to buy a new tablecloth for her dinner party. Now, she has searched high and low but couldn't find anything that matched her style. So I immediately thought of our peacock screen printed table covers, which are lovingly crafted by our talented artisans in India. So I recommended them to my friend, and she was amazed by their stunning beauty and intricate designs. Her guests couldn't stop complimenting her on her decor as well, and she was so proud to share the story of the skilled artisans who had created the tablecloth. As an Handmade owner, it's moments like these that make me proud of the work we do. So I hope that our peacock screen print table covers will inspire others to appreciate the beauty and skill of handmade products and to support the artisans who create them. Now let me tell you more about these table covers because they're not just beautiful, they're also a way to make your guests feel special and show your loved ones that you care. So if you are hosting a party and want to impress your guests, our peacock table covers are the perfect way to do it. They add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any table setting and are sure to leave your guests in awe. But these table covers are not just for parties. They also make a wonderful gift. So if you know someone who has just bought a new house, or if you want to surprise your mom with a thoughtful present, our peacock table covers are a great choice. Now, not only they are a beautiful addition to any home, but they also showcase the skills and artistry of our artisans. So whether you are looking to elevate your home decor, impress your guests, or give a meaningful gift to your loved ones, our table covers are the perfect choice. Now, don't settle for boring mass-produced tablecloths. Choose a product that's unique, beautiful, and handmade with care. Now, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay up to date on all our latest videos and products. Thank you for joining in today. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.